Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix YouTube not sign in problem on Smart TV. Alright, let's begin. First, open the YouTube app on your Smart TV and tap the sign in button. YouTube will display different sign in options on the screen. The easiest method is using your mobile phone. On your phone, open the YouTube app and make sure you are already logged in to your account. Tap your profile icon at the top right corner, then tap Settings. Next, select Watch on TV and tap Enter Code. Now, look at your Smart TV and enter the code shown on the TV screen into your mobile phone. Once the code is entered, your YouTube account will connect automatically and the sign-in issue will be fixed. If you do not have the YouTube app on your phone, open any browser on your phone and go to yt.b/activate. Log in using your Gmail account, enter the code shown on your TV, and tap Continue. Select your account, tap Allow, and wait for confirmation. So that's basically how you can fix YouTube not sign in problem on Smart TV. That's it for this video. Thanks.